Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to create PayPal business account. Let's start! First, go to your search engine and then type how to create PayPal business account. From here, you can now see the step-by-step process on how you can create a PayPal business account. But we will going to choose this step-by-step process from PayPal. How to sign up for a business account. Just click on that. Here you can see the step-by-step process. To start, you have to create your login. You have to enter your email address and then your password. And then enter your necessary information. Next, enter your business type. After that, you have to provide information about your business. And then click on Submit. Now enter the information about yourself. Next is to provide more details about your organization. Now, verify your email address. And then lastly, link your bank account. You have to provide all the necessary information about your bank account. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.